I had a little slight pain in my throat and felt a little warm from within, but there wasn't any temperature. And then the next day followed. By the evening, I had lost my taste and smell. So what happened? Like obviously the first day, since I could not taste and smell, so I was, just I was obviously very paranoid that I can't smell anything. And before that also, I was applying whiff and everything before that also. So, but that was obviously probably once a day or something. Unless you've got something, you don't kind of take it seriously. And in fact, we were even spraying it in the room. So the day I got to know, okay, I know that for sure now I'm positive. So I was like, I've got to be on it. I've got to apply it a lot more times and everything. And I could not smell anything. Like I would spray in the room, no fragrance, nothing. I would apply the whiff on my nose, nothing. So I was really paranoid. Then Lokesh told me that, he's saying that you can apply it at least 4 to 5 times. I applied 6, 7 times, to be honest, because I wanted to keep it before that because I really like the fragrance of whiff. So it makes me feel very comfortable. It gives me a very soothing feeling. So I was really hands-on with it every night. But earlier, as I said, I used to apply it probably once a day before sleeping. So during those 9 days, I started applying it more often. So 2, 3 days, I could not smell nothing. Just that I could feel that I'm applying the oil, that the feel of the oil was there. But by the fourth day, I felt that yes, a little bit of my smell is coming back. Whereas people were telling me, my friends who had the same symptoms with me, they did not get their smell back for 7 days, 8 days. But thankfully, I got my smell back on the 3rd or 4th day, which was slight back, but it was coming back to me. I could still not smell the oil which I was spraying in the room. So, but still, I kept on going. And by 4th or 5th day, I believe, I was absolutely out of it. I called him up. I called up Rakesh and I told him, I said, please tell him and let's call for more oil because I believe for some reason, and I'm not just saying it because I have to say, I'm talking to, I'm not saying because of that, but I felt that the oil really helped me. And even after recovering, I have been still applying my oil. We have still been spraying everything in the room and, the spray and everything. And I honestly feel that it's just not, of course I was on medicines also, but, there is something in the oil which kind of, A, it makes you feel good, and B, it does hit the chord, it did hit the chord. So it got my smell back faster. And applying Sudarshan, I was applying it, of course, as it's said. I'm more of a whiff person because, it's much easier for me to apply by myself. So for me, it was like it worked like magic. And I religiously did it. And I have told all my friends that please, apply it like even in our house. I was like, don't consider it like a oil. Use it like a medicine because it works wonders. So then everybody started applying in the house also, and touch wood, by God's grace, everybody was on the way to recovery sooner. When he told me now for the first time, so I was also like, really oil say it can really work. He said, trust me, he's saying ki abhi se tell everybody in the house to apply it and it's going to work as a preventive. So I was like, I thought, generally I say, but he's just saying it because of whatever work and stuff. But then when I started applying it, I was applying it because I was really liking the fragrance. And I'm very fond of, these aroma oils and everything that makes me feel calm, relaxed and everything. So I was loving it. And then after that, when first my mother-in-law got COVID and everything, so I was more onto it, like both of us, we have to apply it. We have to protect our children. We have to do this, do that. And after that, when I got my first symptom and I started having it, and when I started feeling pretty much okay after 3 days, I felt that it worked as a preventive for me. That I was so glad that I was using it before, that probably I could have also reached the stage where everybody else did. But nothing like that happened. So I was the only one in the house with CT clear. Apart from me, everybody in the house, everybody's CT score was 5, 8, 11, like that. I gave the credit somehow that, I was using it pehle se. Medicines came in way later. Because obviously, why would you eat a medicine unless you're not positive? But oil, I was putting it despite of anything. So I felt that maybe, he was not wrong. Maybe he was right that he told me pehle se that no, let's start applying it. Whether you have it or you don't have it. That no, the spray needs to be sprayed. The whiff needs to be applied. So darshan aise lagana. He explained everybody everything. But then he doesn't know how much everybody is following or not. He kept asking me, and I told him I am doing it like day and night, so don't worry, I'm going to be out of it soon. I did it, and that's why I'm able to today tell you that yes, it worked for me. Rest, yes, everybody comparatively, I would say, looking at the situation, what's all around us, I feel that I'm sure everybody had applied, because by God's grace, everybody came out of it ghar se. Nobody had to rush to the hospital and everything, and everybody had their set of bottles and oils and everything.